Exam the ear. So first of all we just clean our hands. Now we will examine the ear. So first of all we will learn about anatomy of ear. So this is our outer ear. So this is helix, this part is helix, this part is antihelix, and this is tragus, and this is antitragus, this is lobule, and this is external ear canal. And now we will check here any pus and all, like pus and serous between tragus and helix, and in behind this pinna we will check here mastoid tendon, that is there any swelling and anything else. So now it's fine. Now we will check internal ear. So first we will use the largest spectacula for exam internal ear. So now we will go through first. So we have to pull our pinna upward, outward and backward. So now we will examine ear like this. So now in middle ear we can see the incus, malleus and stapes, and we will see is there any inflammation, any abnormality or anything else, any pus. So here, and now we can see the tympanic membrane and so in normal tympanic membrane we can see handle of malleus, light coin, pars tensa and pars flaccida. So it's all good, there is no abnormality, so it's fine. Now it's done. So we will find these structure in the ear. So now we are going to take a whisper test. So first of all we have to stand away 2 feet from patient, and now we have to rub this tergus with our left hand, and to prevent voice signals. And now we will whisper 3 words, any word. So now I will speak. So can you hear my words?
Yes.
What was that? 3, 2, 1. And now we will speak one more time. So can you hear it again?
Yeah.
So what was that?
A U E.
Okay. So now it's fine. So we have to speak 6 times, and the patient have to give right answer 3 out of 6. And if he can give right answer, he is fine totally. There is no problem in the hair ear. That's it. Before examine eye, we have to clean our hand. Now we will talk about anatomy of eye. So here this is upper eyelid, this is upper eyelid, this is lower eyelid, and this middle part is palpebral fissure, and inside there is a sclera covered by palpebral conjunctiva, and this is cornea, and inside the cornea there is a pupil, and all, and here upside on the upper eyelid there is a lacrimal gland, and here is a meibomian gland, and that's all. Movement test. So first of all we check that there is any inflammation and all in eye. So there is no inflammation, no swelling, and also there is no inflammation, no swelling. And now you just focus on this pen, okay now. So first of all just now we are going to check visual acuity. So you have to cover your right eye with this, and you have to now you have to read this letter. So this is the number. This is the number between patient and chart, and this is the number. The normal I can see this. So what is this letter?
Is B,
And this
W,
this E. What this? G. Okay, so it's fine. You just focus on the light. Open your eye. So now we will check reflection on cornea
and movement of pupil.
Now we will check conjunctiva test. Now you just darken the room. So there is no inflammation in conjunctiva this side. It's okay. Both side is fine now. Yeah.
And dark light.